Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the annoying error. You cannot play with friends or on LAN worlds because multiplayer is disabled. Go to Settings. Tap on Account. Click on Privacy and Online Safety. Log in your Microsoft account. Scroll the page. Tap O Allow. Click on Submit. Reopen the app. And that's it. Your multiplayer should now be working perfectly.